Hello everyone. So this is Jeep for AI for Pinoys, and this is my day 2 and day 3 na build in public na video just for accountability and to share what I have done for the past 2 days. No, supposed to be up at yesterday, but nakatulog ako, so hindi ko nagawa. No, so minus points. Anyway, so bawi tayo today. So today I just wanted to share ang mga updates what I did yesterday and today. No, so yesterday I did a webinar for Google AI Studio, and there were supposed to be like 9 people supposed to attend, pero tatlo lang yung pumunta. But okay na naman. They were very interested and they were quite happy naman sa output na nagawa nila with Google AI Studio. And they were able to create like the applications. No? So, which is kind of cool kasi it's very hard and especially to teach coding or at least yung how to create an application in the span of 90 minutes. No? So I did this presentation as you can see here. Yan ang ginamit ko na presentation, no? So I use Gamma for this. And then, nakakatuwa kasing output nila was like this. So this is an example of the output. So I asked them to make a landing page or a website. And this is the output of na nagawa ng website, no? Which is kind of cool. I mean, this is just like a single prompt lang nagawa for using Google AI Studio. So with that, I had three designed or three apps na dinemo. They also did, no? So this is just one of them. And which is very happy naman ako kasi nga you can see the capability of Google AI Studio and at least nakita rin nila na paano magagamit yung Google AI Studio. Ayun, so after yesterday, nakatulog na ako kasi I ended that at around 9:45 and then had to just wrap up a couple of things and I fell asleep na. So, pagod rin, pagod. And today I just realized that I had like this web application called Postbridge kasi promise ko sa sarili ko is to be able to share different content on a day-to-day basis. So, ayun pala, yun ang ginawa ko the whole day yesterday rin is I actually produced content rin, no, or I recorded like batch recording for all the videos, short form videos for the entire week. And I was thinking, bakit ayoko na manual ang upload nito. So I realized I had actually this Postbridge. It's actually parang a scheduler where you can upload and schedule all your social media like videos or posts in LinkedIn, in Twitter, for example, or in TikTok, YouTube Shorts. So all the different social media platforms. No? So for this particular case, you can see in the screen na na-schedule ko na yun from December 14 all the way to December 20. Yay. So happy naman ako doon. So realize ko, hindi ko na underutilized to. Hindi ko masyado nagagamit. No? And then I realized also today that about the tech stack that I'm actually using. So ginawa ko, I started using the gem manager ng Gemini. And so para makagawa ko ng using the recording, yung parang transcription ng bawat videos to be able to create like yung title description. So gumawa na ako ng folder where ilalagay ko na yung transcription and then may specific instructions na ako. Like for example, here for the short form, may specific instructions na gagawin. Oh, wait, hindi ko pala na nakita yung actual na gem. But anyway, so para lang yung ma-imagine niyo kung ano siya, no? So, yan. So, yan, may specific instructions na siya. So, ganyan lang. And then, para mapabilis yung work, no? And at the same time, na-realize ko rin na angas talaga gamitin namomroblema kasi ako lagi sa thumbnail. So, how to come up with a thumbnail. And I realized you can actually do it in Google AI Studio. So, gumawa ako ng playground na chat where nilagay ko dito yung thumbnails na. So gumawa ako ng prompt na lang na where it will generate thumbnails for me. I-upload ko na yung picture ko and then based on the context ng text, ng prompt, it will generate either a vertical na thumbnail or a horizontal na thumbnail. Medyo matagal mag-load. I don't know why, but see, try natin ulit. But yeah, so ano lang, just to share yung mga ginawa ko, no? So, at least nakita ko na ngayon na ang dami na ako schedule na shorts. May everyone na rin ako yan. Long form videos. Yun. And then I also did like, uploaded all the different webinars until February 2028. Di ba? So, nilagay ko na rin lahat dyan, including the paid webinars and the free webinars for mga business owners, mga freelancers, VAs, students who want to learn about particular things about using AI, no? Including making AI part of their workflow, no? Ayan, so din lang naman. I just wanted to give you an update for day 2 and day 3 of Build It Public for AI for Pinoys. I hope you guys do subscribe to the channel. Kahit na wala man nanonood, I'm just saying that here now. Anyway, so yeah, maraming salamat and have a great day.